Hey everybody, it's Dr. Guffels, and today I wanted to do some stuff on this raining tutorial. We just posted it to the blog, and oh my goodness, I love seeing things like I love experimenting. Tell me if you like experimenting. I love experimenting. So this is the little raining scratch program that I built. You can do the same as me. I'm going to see inside, and then I'm going to do file, and I'm going to say save as a copy. And instead of like it's raining copy, I'm going to name it like it's raining cats and dogs. Because first of all, I think it would be fun if maybe the sprites weren't just raindrops, they were cats and dogs. And then also they shouldn't just be raining like that, and I kind of want a background. So basically, anytime there's a tutorial on our blog, you should definitely try copying it and making it your own because that's what's even more fun. So first of all, let's get a beach. How about the beach? It should be raining in the beach. Okay, so great. And instead of Sprite, instead of the cat, I think maybe I'm going to have, um, how about Anna? Anna really likes the rain. Haha, yay. Okay, and then before it starts to rain, actually, maybe I can make a list of all of the like raindrops. So maybe, okay, so I'm going to call this raindrops, and I'm going to add certain things to this list. So maybe we can just do something like add thing. I don't want to add thing. I want to add the specific raindrop. How do I do that? Let's see. What if I do this and then I do Sprite 2? Oh, look at that. Sprite, oops, Sprite 3, Sprite 4, and Sprite 5. Okay, now maybe instead of doing this, like instead of having each raindrop do that, maybe what I can do is I can copy that into my backpack, and then I can go back to Anna and I could say, like, when the green flag is clicked, um, maybe I want to go through all of the items in the list or something like that. So, maybe item one. I think I want item, there's the length of the list. So how about I repeat the length of the list and then I get, maybe I should create like something to count. So this is called my iterator, which basically counts for me. So I'm going to set iterator to 0, and then I'm going to repeat the length of the list. Well, I'm going to set it to 1. I'm going to repeat the length of the list, and then maybe what I could do is I could say go to this, but I want to tell that thing to go to it. How do I do that? I don't know if this is going to work. Um, hmm. Let's see. Maybe because I kind of want to like go through the whole list and then tell the whole list to do that thing. I don't know if that'll work though. Maybe we need to do like a broadcast or something. Oh, maybe we can, instead of having multiple of these, maybe we could just use the clone. I forgot about the clone. Okay, I think we have a new idea. I like this idea. So let's delete this guy. Let's delete this one and let's delete this one. So we've got one raindrop, okay? And when I start as a clone, I want to go to a random spot. I think the Y should probably be at 201, but the random X between like negative 230 and positive 230. So when I start as a clone, I want to go to a random number, data, no, not data. Where's random? Random operators. Pick a random number between negative 230 and positive 230. And then I want to repeat until you've gone to the very bottom and change by -1. So when I start as a clone, I'm going to do that. And then instead of having a list, like I don't think we actually need this list. Um, I'm going to delete the list and I'm going to delete the iterator. I think maybe instead we'll just say, okay, when the green flag is clicked, why don't we create a clone of Sprite 2? And we should probably rename this because um, we might want to have different types of things. So raindrops. Um, so when the green flag is clicked, create a clone of raindrop. And maybe we want to create like, oops. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's one raindrop. And maybe we want this to be like hidden to start. I don't know if that's gonna work. Um, so green flag. No, because it's still hidden. So we want to say show when you start as a clone. Okay, so we've got Anna, and Anna, when the green flag is clicked, we're going to create one raindrop. Ah, that's pretty cool. Okay, and then maybe what we can do is we can like wait for 1 second, and then we can do that like a couple times. So let's create like 10 raindrops. Whoa, it's raining. Whoa, now it's like really raining. That's so cool. Okay, so now we have 10 raindrops that are just like raining like crazy. What we can do now is we can do kind of the same thing. So let's get the cat. Let's get this cat. And instead of having it do that, maybe we can have it falling like the other direction. So let's go to costume and I'm going to convert to bitmap. I'm going, oh, I did not want to do that. Oops. I want to grab it. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to spin it. So it's kind of facing down instead. Okay, so now I've got the cat and it's facing down. And I want Anna to also create that, but I'm going to do the same thing over here. And maybe instead of, so this one will do the exact same thing. We also want it to hide at the start. And then Anna, maybe what we can do is we can have ask, what do you want it to rain? Okay, so let's stop it. What should rain down? Okay, and then if, um, let's see, if they answer, oh no, that's okay. So if they answer, um, if they answer is equal to uh, rain or water, then we'll do the raindrops. And then, but we want to say, maybe we want to say else, so maybe we want this one instead. So if it's not rain, maybe we want to say, let's duplicate this, but let's do cats. Okay, so then what we do is we say green flag, and she said, what should it rain down? And we say water, and it rains water. Okay, but if we do it again, and this time we say anything else, anything but water, it'll rain cats. And then we can do the same thing. So then we can come in here and we can say if the answer, oops, if the answer was um, cats, otherwise maybe we want it to rain something else. What else should it rain? Ooh, I know, like ice cream. Wouldn't that be so good if it rained ice cream? I think there's ice cream in here. Or donuts. Oh my gosh. Oh, I wish it would rain donuts. Is there ice cream? Oh no, I don't see ice cream. Maybe like a sundae? I thought there was ice cream in here. I remember there being some ice cream. These are all letters. Trumpet, sun, but not a sundae. Okay, how about tacos? Okay, tacos. And we can bring the same thing up here. And then we can have Anna and we say taco. Okay, awesome. Oh, and then we want the taco to be invisible when we start. Perfect. So now Anna We click here, and then if we say anything other than water and cats, it rains tacos. Um, this is pretty fun. I love it. Okay, here's my new project. Tell me down in the description below, or not description below, what am I talking about? Tell me down in the comments what you built. Send me a link, link your project. So this is my project page. Um, this is, I'm going to put some instructions in here. Oh, I need to share it. So I'm going to put some instructions in here. This, um, if you type water, then it will rain down raindrops. If you type cats, it will rain down cats. And if you type anything else, it will rain tacos. How did I make the project? I got the idea from We Can. And I'm going to link this blog over here. And then, yeah, so this is my project. Um, you can leave comments on this one too, and let me know what you think. You can totally see inside and you can make a copy of it and remix it. I'd love to see you remix it, and I'd love to see what you built. So down in the comments below, link your project of what you built, whether you used Anna and cats and tacos or you used something else. I want to see what you made rain. Were you raining at the beach or were you raining inside of a chalkboard? That's kind of weird. Um, let me know. Let me know down in the comments, and let me know what you want to see next week on Thursdays, Learning Thursdays. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.